video. So as I said in the video earlier, now we are gonna open file manager. You can use any type of file manager you have. So mostly I use device manager or device file manager that is inbuilt, and most of you guys might know what that is. So in downloads folders, I have the car I replaced. So what I'm gonna do is search for folders that says without alpha. So you can see there is a folder named without alpha and this without alpha, and you can see there's some kind of letters over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on those, and when I click on it, it shows me some kind of name on it. It's written 2con17, and actually what this file means is that this is the number plate texture of a certain car. Okay, so normally number plates textures are given in without alpha and with alpha. So most of the common phrases given to the number plate texture is placa, PLCA. Another one is also placa, but instead of C, it's K. Third one is numplate. Fourth one is num plus some random numbers. So you click on more, rename. So copy that certain name of the the name of the number plate texture. So I'm gonna copy it. Now close file manager, open TXD tool. Okay, so keep TXD tool open, and we are gonna go to Picsart now. Okay, so in Picsart, what we have to do is we have to search for our picture. That is, I'm gonna click on plus, click on edit a photo, and now what we do is we have to find for a texture. Click on the recent and go to more, and then click on other. Okay, so once you get these couple of options, click on your device manager, and my file is stored in internal storage. So as I showed you before, it's in download, and there is a separate folder known as without alpha. I'm gonna click on without alpha, and here is my number plate texture. So you can have number plate textures, you gotta find it because it might be inside this without alpha file. Okay, so once you have exported the, if you have a TXT format file, then open it using TXD tool, which will be later shown in the video. Click on OK. So I can now do a lot of stuff with it. I am first gonna erase it, and how I'm gonna erase it, that's actually what's more important. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on draw, and I'm gonna use brush. Now I'm gonna first make it white. I'm gonna click on the brush. I'm gonna make it size as 128px. Now only one thing you have to do, just click on shading it, and with this what happens is I have a white screen, and that certain letters in that column has been removed. Now I have two options. I can add a photo or I can add a text. 21. Okay, so this is just a random thing. It really doesn't mean anything. So I'm gonna select a particular color for this. Yeah, so this looks good. You can even change the font of it. So I'm gonna keep this font, and I'm gonna stretch it out so it fits inside the number plate. So I'm gonna just do a dilly dally, and that's done. So now 2tech21 will be shown in on my game. So I'm gonna put it to gallery, and now you have to open file manager. So I'm gonna come to home again. I'm gonna come to home, and then I go to pictures, Picsart, and here is that thing that says Picsart and a few random numbers, that is today's date and a few random numbers. I'm gonna just delete the old number plate texture and click on rename. So now I type, because I know the number plate texture, I'm gonna just type it down, num plate. Okay, so now we have finished with the renaming stuff. Next I'm gonna go to TXT tool yet once again, and we're gonna just repeat the steps. So I'm gonna come to home and click on Android data and com.rockstargames.jsa files textdb txt.txt and select it. Next I'm gonna click on from from images with alpha, I mean without alpha, and here is numplate.png. I'm gonna take it, override, disable camnom, correct capital letters in names, and OK. So with this, I can conclude that the vehicle textures has been updated. So with this, I'm gonna stop the video here and get to Grand Theft Auto San Andreas recording to show you the proof. Making any more mistakes. So a huge thanks to all of those subscribers who wanted me to make this video on. And another thing, and this is the second vehicle whose number plate I had changed, and as you can see, without any crashes, I have the number plate changed. It's written 2tech21. So I hope you liked today's video. If you like today's video, then hit the like button and make it 20. Click on the red subscribe button, and become a part of Tech Gang, and share this video to those who are struggling to change the number plate of vehicles. So I want you to make this video go viral too, like the previous one, and I hope um, all of your doubts have been clear, and thanks to all those 4 commenters who wanted this new video. Because of you people, this video has been uploaded today. So keep on commenting new ideas that I can implement and I can use in my videos. I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.
But that's alright. Hush.